As you can see, if you can read my horrible handwriting, we are going to be looking, slightly unfocused, at some subtraction with binary numbers. Now, we already know how to do addition. Addition is quite easy. We have some numbers, and we go 1 and 1 is 2, carry the 1, 2, carry the 1, 2, carry the 1, 2, carry the 1, and an overflow. But we can do binary addition, that's not what we're worried about here. Subtraction. Now, we could do subtraction by saying, let's do a takeaway of some numbers. Okay, and it gets a little bit awkward because we have to do some borrowing to get it to work. You know, 1 take away 0 is fine. We have to borrow the 1, and it gets a bit complicated, and it's a bit of a faff on. There is a much easier way, and now that we know how to do negative numbers, particularly if we're using 2's complement, it's really, really easy. So I'm going to start with a hard one, launch straight into a hard one. Let's say we've got 108, and we're taking away 47. Okay? What we do first of all is we work out what's 108. 108 is, now we're using 2's complement. So the first bit is the sign, so it's going to be 0 anyway. A 64 and a 32, and then we need 12. So I think that's 108. 47 in 2's complement, plus 47 of course, is 32 and 15. So flip it and add 1. Okay, so this is plus 47, this is minus 47. So what we can do, I reckon 108 minus 47 is the same as 108 plus minus 47. So rather than doing a takeaway, I'm actually going to do an add. Okay, 108 plus minus 47 is 108 minus 47. And an add's much easier than a takeaway in binary. So we get 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 0 carry the 1, 0 carry the 1, ignore the overflow. And what we've got there then is a number, and that number is a 32 and a 16, which is 48. And a 12 and a 13. So that gives us 61. And a double check, 108 take away 47 is indeed 61. So it works. So if you want to subtract numbers in binary, all you have to do is use 2's complement to convert it into a negative number, and you're away. You just add them up. We'll do one more just because it'll be a really, really short video otherwise. And again, the best way to practice is, I keep saying these at the end of videos, best way to practice, just make up some numbers. It's all I'm doing. So let's say we've got, I don't know, 96 take away. We'll do one that ends up negative 112, 111. Okay, 96 take away 111. That should give us a negative answer. So we'll try. So 96. So it's positive numbers start with a 0, a 64 and a 32. 111, that's 96, plus 15 is 111, double check I'm right. That is, you double check I'm right, I'm pretty sure I am. And then flip the bits, add 1. So that is plus 111, that's minus 111. So if we add those together, we are adding 96 and minus 111, and that should work. So if we add those up, 1, lots of zeros, 1, 1, 1, 1, that was easy. We've got a negative number because it starts with a 1. So we'll do the opposite of 2's complement, we'll subtract 1, flip it, and we get, that's plus 15, so that is minus 15 is our answer. And 96 take away 111 should be minus 15. So it works. Okay? So whether the answer is going to be positive or negative, all you have to do with subtracting binary numbers is use 2's complement to flip the bits and then add them instead of subtracting. Dead easy. So again, pick some numbers, pick some binary numbers at random, work it out in binary, and check at the end you've got it right. If you have, you can do it. Brill.